Welcome back. Now we are ready to finish the homepage by creating a footer that will contain the basic business information, social media buttons, a footer menu, a site logo, and copyright on the bottom. Let's go. We cannot create the footer from the homepage view, so we can exit the page from the top menu and go to Templates and Add New. Select footer from the list and give some name. We can close the library templates and click on the plus sign, selecting first 3-column structure and after that another 2-column structure. Then from the widget list, we can bring in the site title to the bottom left column, text editor on top, another one in the middle, and a third one on the right, and one more under it. Now, type in the widget menu Social to find the social icons and drop it under the middle text editor. Nice, our basic structure is ready. Let's change the layout to match our website. Open the section from the top bar, open Style tab, and click on the brush icon to get the global colors list and select background to turn it gray. And for the lower part, we can follow the exact same steps and add the gray background. Nice. Then to the content. Bottom right can have the copyright text, name of the site, copyright sign, and the year like this. Then from the content tab, we can toggle the toolbar to see more options and align the text on right. Then in the advanced tab, we can add some padding on top to center the 2 bottom elements vertically. For the middle column, we can change the text to encourage visitors to follow us on social media. And here we can align the text in the middle. The first column will provide the general information, such as the name of the business, address, phone number, and opening hours. Optionally, we can bold the top line. Then, on the remaining column, we will create a bottom menu with the titles of our pages: Services, About Us, Privacy, and Cookie Policy. After selecting the first title, we can click on the link button and type in /services. Let's make the toolbar a little wider to show the link field. Now we can see it properly. Let's do the same for the rest, so select the next title, click on the link button, and type in /about-us. Same on privacy and the cookie policy. We'll create these pages on a later video. Click Publish and add condition. By default, it shows on the entire site, so we can save and close. Let's resize the toolbar and edit the social icons from the Style tab. Change the color into Custom and choose primary color and the background color to make them blend in nicely. From the Content tab, we can change the shape by selecting Circle. We can also add a new item, and by clicking on the logo, we can open the library and type in the social media we want to add. Rearranging the icons is also easy by dragging and dropping. Save the changes, and I'll show you how you can link your social media profiles to the buttons. For Instagram, let's log in your browser, and from the left side menu, copy the profile link from the bottom. Please don't mind that mine is in Finnish. Going back to Elementor, paste the link on the link field and do the same for the rest of the social media icons. For a nicer style, we can add an icon hover animation. Open the list and select Shrink. Now the buttons react to the cursor. Save changes and exit the page from the top menu. Let's go visit the home page to see how it looks. Scrolling down to the bottom, and we can see that it's not how we wanted. No worries. Let's reload the page and see if it's better. Yes, indeed. Now we have a functional footer on the website, and I can congratulate you for finishing the homepage. Well done. I'll see you in the next video.